This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by identifying your exact GPU model and operating system. Open Device Manager or run DXDiag to confirm model and Windows 10 64-bit details. Next, choose the driver type you need. Select Game Ready for gaming performance or Studio for creative stability and content apps. Note driver versions like 535, 98 when checking release notes. Matching the exact GPU and OS prevents installation errors and improves system stability. Always download Nvidia drivers from Nvidia.com or the GeForce Experience app for authenticity. Choose the correct OS, GPU, and driver type on the download page. Expect file sizes ranging from 400 MB to 2 GB depending on release contents. Run the installer and choose Custom Install. Check the Clean Install box to remove legacy drivers and prevent conflicts. Follow prompts and allow driver components to install fully. Reboot the system when the install. After reboot, open NVIDIA Control Panel to verify the active driver version. Also confirm the same version appears in Device Manager under Display Adapters. If you encounter crashes, roll back the driver through Device Manager as a first step. For stubborn issues, use the In Safe mode to fully remove drivers and then reinstall the correct driver. Keep GeForce Experience enabled to receive driver alerts and recommended optimal in-game settings automatically.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.